double burger, cheese, bacon. Here we go. Order up, double cheese with bacon. We're doing it outside on the Blackstone. Another beautiful day to do this. This goes really quick and it's easy. So to get started right here, I've got some bacon. So this is Applewood cured bacon. I've got 80-20 beef. Those are both 3 ounces a piece. I've got some Deli American iceberg lettuce. Then we're gonna top it off with a pickle and some pepperoncini. And then all the way over here, I've got a red onion. We're gonna slice this up and saute this as well. So first things first, we're gonna get the bacon going. I'm starting with the bacon so that I can use the bacon grease to saute the onions. So we'll get those on. And these will cook quick. I've got the griddle on full heat. And so while that continues to render, let's cut up the onion. So I'm just gonna cut off both ends like that. I've already peeled it. Cut it in half again. And then I'll just go nice and thin. All right, that's all we need. I'm only making 1 burger, so that's done. Bacon's getting close. Let me flip this real quick. All right. I don't know about you guys. Do you like your bacon crispy or still kind of soft? I like it kind of in between. Not quite crispy, not quite soft. So what I can do now, since I've got plenty of grease and the other side of my griddle is hot, we can move this over here. Let that cook another minute. And I can take those onions that I just cut up. Let's get those into the grease. Ow. Splatter got me. Make sure these get all that bacon grease treatment. Oh yeah. It smells really good. These onions get a little sweet as you caramelize them. So we'll let that go. Bacon is cooked to my liking. So I'm gonna get it off to the side here. So the onions are gonna saute a little bit longer. While that's happening, I'm gonna get the burgers on. So I got these 2 3-ounce patties, roughly. I hit it with a little bit of salt. Little fresh cracked pepper. We'll just put them here for a minute. Don't smash them yet. I want to get a little crust under there. All right, so it's been about a minute. We're gonna flip it. See that crust we made? That's gonna help prevent it from sticking, hopefully, on the spatula. Now we can just smash that down. Perfect. Same thing with this guy. You're gonna smash it to about the size of the bun, maybe a little bit bigger. Onions came out really nice. That's perfect right there. So we'll get these off. All right, one more flip. Just like that. These are so thin, they're gonna cook very fast. Cheese. I've got just a standard sesame seed bun. We're gonna toast that real quick. This looks beautiful. Look at how quickly that cheese melted. God, I love cooking on this griddle. All right, that's a pretty good toast on there. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of mayo. Then a nice bed of our red onions that we cooked in bacon grease. Little bit of iceberg lettuce. Patty number 1. Number 2. Now for the bacon, I just ripped them in half. The lid goes on. Then I'm going to serve it with a pickle and a pepperoncini on top. Get a little toothpick. And now we get after it. Oh, this looks so good. Take this off. Look at that. Double burger, cheese, bacon, lettuce, onion. Here we go. That is so good. Good little pepper. What I like about it is how fast it is. I mean, that really just took a couple minutes. Full of flavor. Hey, if you like this video, check out these other 2 Blackstone videos over there. I'll see you over there.